So here we have a triangle ABC. Angle B measures 60 degrees. We need to show that the product of A plus B plus C to that of A minus B plus C equals 3CA. In order to solve this problem, we'll be taking the help of Law of Cosines. So let's first specify the Law of Cosines. So here we have a triangle ABC. Now the sides opposite to angle BA, B and C are represented by the letter A, B and C in lowercase, respectively. Then cosine of A, cosine of B and cosine of C will be defined by their respective sides as given in the particular format. Here it is given that the measure of angle B is 60 degrees. So let's use the value of cosine B. So we know that the value of cosine of angle B, so that's given by A squared plus C squared minus B squared whole divided by 2AC. So we have angle B, that's given that this value is 60 degrees. But since angle B is 60 degrees, the cosine of 60 degrees, and we know that that's cosine of 60 degrees measures is half. So half will be equals to A squared plus C squared minus B squared whole divided by 2AC. So let's solve this equation. So we have A squared plus C squared minus B squared. So this will be equals to AC. Fine. Now we'll try to manipulate A squared plus C squared. So what we do, let's take A squared plus C squared, and to it we are going to add 2AC. So if we're adding 2AC, we'll also have to subtract 2AC from it, minus B squared, and this will be equals to AC. Now that means A squared plus C squared plus 2AC, that can be expressed as A plus C whole squared minus B squared, and we transpose negative 2AC to the right hand side and combine it with AC to get 3AC. Now A plus C whole squared minus B squared, this is an identity which can be expressed as A squared minus B squared. So that gives us A plus C plus B multiplied to A plus C minus B, and that's equals to 3AC. Hence, proof.